It is a struggle that so many neighborhoods are facing tonight. Debris from flooded out homes just lining the streets. It's a reminder every day that the road ahead in this Harvey recovery is going to be a long one. Our Lee Ferlisi live in one of those neighborhoods tonight, Braeswood Place, with an update on the overwhelming removal process. Lee?
Yes, Dominique, we drove through the streets of Houston and saw this at so many places, these huge debris piles right by the houses, and it's heartbreaking for families. Mayor Turner saying today that debris removal is his top priority, but the problem is the devastation in Florida is siphoning off contractors.
We probably had 1 to 2 feet in the house.
With a lifted home, Andrea Kale thought their home would not flood until Harvey. Now, sitting in this debris pile is the unwanted reminder of loss.
It just shows how much everybody lost, really.
At the McCarty landfill, truck after truck coming to drop off Harvey debris to chip away at the monumental task of so much trash. But getting extra trucks is hard thanks to Irma. Mayor Turner hearing this from contractors.
Companies were saying, no thanks, we'll head to Florida.
With long drop-off lines at the landfills, the payoff is not high enough for contractors. Some companies telling Mayor Turner.
We're doing like 3 and 4 loads when, we would be expecting to do like 7 and 8 loads. And so they were saying what you all are paying is not worth it for us.
Houston's mayor saying he's asking FEMA to raise the rates that the city can pay waste removal contractors.
I do not want this debris to be on the ground, 3-4 months from now.
In the meantime,
I want my yard to be the blank slate.
Kale, like so many other residents, will wait a bit longer to get their debris removed.
I hope they come by soon, very soon. Can't come soon enough.
I'm sure a lot of people can identify with that. Mayor Turner saying that for the short term with FEMA, he can raise rates, and he's doing so in order to attract more contractors. Here, Solid Waste Management telling us that they are adding contractors every day using the standards of FEMA. We're live in Southwest Houston. Lee Ferlisi, KPRC, Channel 2 News.
Thank you, Lee. Lee Ferlisi herself going through this problem with her family in Meyerland.